What's up everyone? In this video, I'm going to teach you how to properly foam roll your calves, also known as your gastrocnemius. The first thing you have to know about foam rolling your gastrocnemius or calves is that it has two heads. It has a medial and it has a lateral. And in order to get an effective stretch with foam rolling, you need to do both. So in able to get a really good pull and stretch of that muscle, you must be able to do both sides, medial and lateral. So when you're foam rolling the calf, this is your medial side on my right leg. This is my lateral side. So when you first start, you can start by just rolling back and forth here on the medial side, just like this, and then externally rotate your leg to get the lateral side. Now, if you want to get more advanced and add more pressure, bring your other leg over to add more weight, and then go to your medial side, roll through here, and then switch to the lateral side like so. Now when you find a spot that might be a little bit more tender, like right there, what I like to do is I'll just kind of rest on there and slowly roll over it. Instead of just doing one of these numbers, I like to find it and just kind of sit on it until it feels like it's rolled out a bit. And then from there, I'll go to the lateral side and do the same thing. Find a spot and just slowly roll over it until it feels like it's been worked out. So if you help stretch your calves out by doing foam rolling, your athletic performance will go to the next level and you will feel much looser for your next competition or just workout in general. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do and you enjoy these kind of things as far as athletic performance, fitness, nutrition, weight loss, longevity, and the areas to try and make your life as great as possible, please comment, subscribe, like my video. It really helps me get these out to more people just like you who want to learn and get better every day. Thanks so much guys, and I appreciate your support.